Are you looking for the best blogging camera in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best blogging camera. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Nikon Z30 blogging camera. The Nikon Z30, priced at $709.95 for the body only, is positioned as Nikon's video-centric mirrorless camera catering to content creators, bloggers, and YouTubers. In direct competition with the Sony ZV-E10, the Z30 boasts built-in quality microphones, an articulating display, and support for interchangeable lenses through Nikon's Z-mount system. While it records video up to 4K 30 and functions as a capable photo camera, it faces limitations in lens options compared to Sony's E-mount. The article delves into the camera's features, handling, controls, power, connectivity, autofocus, imaging, and video capabilities. Designed in a blog-style form reminiscent of early mirrorless cameras without built-in viewfinders, the Z30 measures 29x 5x23 inches and weighs 12.3 ounces without a lens. Its EV-free body incorporates a stereo mic on the flat top for clear audio and a hot shoe for an external mic or flash attachment. The absence of an onboard flash distinguishes it from some competitors. The camera is available as a body-only option for $709.95, and various kits are offered, including one with a ZDX 1650mm zoom lens for $849.95 and a 2-lens kit with a 1650mm and DX 5250mm for $199.95. A creator's kit targeting video makers is priced at $949 and includes the 1650mm lens, a small rig tripod grip, a Bluetooth remote, and a Rode shotgun mic. The Z30 utilizes the Z-mount lens system designed for full-frame Nikon Z models, despite having a smaller APS-C DX format image sensor. While the article mentions existing DX lenses and hints at upcoming releases, it highlights the limited lens options compared to Sony's E-mount system. In terms of handling and controls, the Z30 features a slightly larger body than its competitor, the ZV-E10, with a deeper hand grip for added comfort. Programmable function buttons on the grip side provide quick access, and the top plate houses essential controls like the mode dial, command dials, and shutter release. The 3-inch LCD serves as the viewfinder, offering a 104 million dot display with articulation for selfie blogging. The Z30 is powered by the NL25 battery, shared with other Nikon models like the ZFC and Z50, providing approximately 1 hour of continuous 4K 24 recording or 330 photos per charge. Charging options include USB-C for on-the-go charging and the ability to run the camera from a wall outlet. Connectivity features include a 3.5mm microphone jack, a micro HDMI port, and a single USI memory card slot. Wireless transfer is facilitated through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, compatible with the Nikon SnapBridge smartphone app. However, the absence of a headphone jack is noted as a significant limitation for a blogging-oriented camera. Autofocus performance mirrors that of the Z50 and ZFC, employing phase detect pixels for swift and accurate focusing. Face and eye detection are available for people, cats, and dogs in both photo and video modes. The article praises the Z30's autofocus capabilities, while noting the advantages offered by competitors like the Canon EOS R10 in the same price range. Stills capabilities align with the Z50 and ZFC, sharing a 29MP sensor supporting 11fps JPG and 9fps RAW capture. Image quality is commended, with strong detail and minimal noise up to ISO 12800. The article acknowledges the Z30's video focus, supporting 4K 30 and 1080p 60, but highlights limitations like the 8-bit 42th 64 video and lack of sensor stabilization. Up next in the 4th place is the Gemini 4 Pro Folding Mini Drone. The Gemini 4 Pro, priced starting at $759, is a compact camera drone that excels in various aspects, earning it the title of editor's choice for both aerial imaging enthusiasts and beginners prioritizing obstacle avoidance. Weighing in at 249 grams, the drone falls below the weight threshold that requires FAA registration, providing more freedom for recreational flyers in many regions globally. The Mini 4 Pro's foldable design, measuring 24 by 35 by 57 inches when folded, enhances its portability, making it easy to store and carry in a gear bag. The drone features a quad-Bayer camera with a 24mm f1.7 lens, offering clear and vibrant video capture in various lighting conditions. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage, even during acrobatic maneuvers. The camera's standout feature is its ability to switch between widescreen 16:9 and vertical 9:16 video recording, catering to different platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Noteworthy improvements over its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro, include full 360-degree obstacle avoidance sensors, providing enhanced safety and navigation capabilities. The drone also supports an autopilot assist system, helping it avoid obstacles while tracking subjects. The obstacle avoidance system surpasses the Mini 3 Pro's limitations by covering all directions, including the sides and above. The Mini 4 Pro's camera includes 2 GB of internal memory, although limited, serving as a backup option for recording. However, a recommended V30 ASI microSD card with at least 64 GB is advised for optimal storage. The USB-C port facilitates data transfer and in-drone battery charging. Comparing alternatives in the market, Jai faces competition mostly from itself, with Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus as a notable alternative in the 249G weight class. The article suggests considering the Mini 3 Pro for a more budget-friendly option, while the Mini 2C is suitable for those content with basic video capabilities. Various purchasing options for the Mini 4 Pro are available, ranging from the standard $759 edition to the $159 Fly More Combo Plus, offering extended battery life at the expense of FAW registration. The review recommends the Fly More Combo for the additional accessories, including 3 flight batteries, spare propellers, and a zippered shoulder bag. Safety features include built-in GPS, enabling functions like Return to Home, Find My Drone, and improved stability during flight. The geofence system, FlySafe, prevents takeoff in restricted zones and warns users near airports. Licensed UAV operators may opt for the Jai Air 3 or Mavic 3 models, which include an AirSense ADS-B receiver for added safety. The camera's upgraded quad-Bayer sensor introduces new color profiles, including HDR HLG and a flat D Log-M profile, enhancing creative control. Video quality, offering 10-bit 4K 60 recording, is commended for its crisp details and accurate colors. The article notes the drone's exceptional obstacle dodging performance, rivaling larger drones like the Air 3. The third product on our list is the GoPro Hero 12 Black waterproof action camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black, released at an MSRP of $399.99, builds on its predecessor's success with notable upgrades, earning it the Editor's Choice Award for action cameras. With a compact design measuring 20 by 28 by 13 inches and weighing 4.5 ounces, the Hero 12 maintains the rugged, waterproof features of its predecessors, suitable for various filming environments. The matte gray exterior, now adorned with blue speckles, adds a touch of aesthetic appeal. The action camera boasts an 8:7 aspect sensor carried over from the Hero 11, allowing for versatile video cropping for widescreen and vertical social media content. The addition of a standard 1/4 20-inch thread for tripod mounting caters to users integrating GoPro with traditional photo and video gear, enhancing flexibility and convenience. Featuring 2 displays, a square 1.4-inch front screen and a 2.3-inch rear touch screen, the Hero 12 offers an improved user interface. The Easy Controls option, introduced with the Hero 11, has been refined to better balance simplicity for non-experts and adventurers while preserving essential features. This includes straightforward labels for camera features, simplified aspect ratio descriptions, and an intuitive layout for various lens angles and frame rates. For advanced users, the Pro Controls interface unlocks the camera's full feature set, allowing detailed configuration of resolution, frame rate, aspect ratio, color space, and other settings. The ability to save presets facilitates quick adjustments for different shooting scenarios. A significant addition is the timecode sync feature, streamlining the synchronization of multiple Hero 12 cameras for multi-camera projects. Wireless audio support enables compatibility with true wireless earbuds, such as Apple AirPods, for discrete audio recording, voice commands, and clip review in camera. The Hero 12's battery life has seen improvement, lasting around 1 hour for 3K 60 recording and 80 minutes for 4K 60, thanks to enhancements in the image processor's power efficiency. However, users may find it necessary to invest in additional batteries, priced at $24.99 each. The camera's HDR video profile stands out as a key upgrade, offering improved color preservation in highlights and shadows compared to standard dynamic range SDR. The video quality, with a 3K resolution and 10-bit HDR, is lauded as the best in its class, making the Hero 12 a top choice for palm-sized video cameras. Despite dropping the long-running GPS feature, GoPro compensates with practical additions like a tripod socket, wireless audio support, and a refined easy controls interface. The Hero 12 Black's comprehensive feature set, class-leading video stabilization, and compatibility with an extensive range of accessories contribute to its status as the action camera to beat in the market. Second on our list is the Fujifilm X-S20 mirrorless blog camera. The Fujifilm X-S20, priced at $1,299.95 for the body only, emerges as a standout mirrorless camera that seamlessly integrates Fujifilm's renowned color science into a user-friendly, mainstream design, earning it the prestigious Editor's Choice Award. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the X-S10, this camera retains the 26MP X-Trans BSI CMOS sensor, but introduces an upgraded processor, enhancing autofocus capabilities, subject recognition, and video features. The larger battery significantly extends the runtime, making it an appealing choice for both photography enthusiasts and bloggers. Designed with mainstream appeal in mind, the X-S20 departs from Fuji's traditional dial-driven exposure control, opting for a PASM dial, center-mounted viewfinder, and a flip-out LCD for selfies and blogs. The compact body, measuring 3.4 by 5.0 by 2.6 inches, maintains its portability despite housing a 5-axis image stabilization system. The premium build features a magnesium shell with a black leatherette wrap, though it lacks dust and splash protection found in some competitors like the Sony a6700. Fujifilm integrates a pop-up flash, typically reserved for entry-level cameras, providing useful fill light in certain situations. The camera supports a range of X-mount lenses, showcasing Fujifilm's commitment to system longevity. 2 kit options are available, with the XC1545mm power zoom priced at $1,399.95 and the XF1855mm f284R at $1,699.95. The X-S20 boasts a user-friendly control layout with an in-grip front dial, top-mounted rear control dial, and a PASM mode dial for flexible exposure control. The 8-way rear focus control stick enhances usability, particularly with heavier lenses. Despite its enthusiast focus, the camera maintains a balanced number of buttons, providing quick access to essential functions like record, Q menu, and ISO. The 3-inch LCD, which swings out and tilts, complements physical controls and supports swipe gestures. The EVE, while slightly undersized at 0.62x, features a sharp 2.4 million OLED panel with a 60 FPS refresh rate, 100 FPS in boost mode. The X-S20 utilizes Fuji's NPW235 battery, delivering exceptional performance with an estimated 750 pictures per charge. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 4.2 Plus LE and dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting the Fuji's app for remote control, file transfers, geotagging, and firmware updates. Equipped with Fuji's latest autofocus system, the X-S20 introduces subject recognition for airplanes, animals, automobiles, birds, motorcycles, bikes, and trains. The autofocus system, complemented by an 8-way focus joystick, ensures fast and precise focusing, especially for action and wildlife photography. The camera's 26MP BSI CMOS sensor, coupled with the X Processor 5, offers excellent picture quality with minimal progress from previous models. The X-S20 supports various image formats, including 10-bit HEIF and 14-bit RAW in compressed, lossless compressed, or uncompressed formats. The film simulation engines, a hallmark of Fuji cameras, add a creative touch to JPGs. In terms of video capabilities, the X-S20 stands out with 4K recording at 2430 FPS, 4K 60 with a slight crop, and 6K 246K 30 open gate recording. All film simulations are available for video, providing creative options without extensive post-processing. The camera supports internal 10-bit 422 color sampling and offers Blackmagic RAW and ProRes RAW output via micro HDMI. The IBIS system, along with digital stabilization options, enhances video stability. While excelling in various aspects, the XS20 faces challenges related to video heat management. It overheats after 35 minutes of continuous 4K 60 or 6K 30 recording, making Fuji's Fan 2-1 cooling accessory a potential solution. Finally, the top product on our list is the Sony Alpha ZV-E1 full-frame mirrorless blog camera. Sony's commitment to blogging cameras reaches new heights with the ZV-E1, a high-performance model designed specifically for YouTube content creators. Priced at $199.99 for the body only, this compact camera packs a stabilized full-frame sensor into a remarkably small form factor, accompanied by an impressive microphone and a range of AI features tailored to solo creators. The ZV-E1's stabilized sensor enhances handheld shooting, while the clear-sounding microphone ensures excellent audio quality without the need for extensive accessories. This focus on blogging excellence has earned the ZV-E1 the distinction of being the first made-for-blogging camera to receive the prestigious Editor's Choice Award. The ZV-E1 is the latest addition to Sony's ZV series, designed for Gen Z content creators who predominantly engage in blogging. Unlike its predecessors, the ZV-E1 places a greater emphasis on blogging, with photo features taking a back seat. Targeting solo operators who serve as both camera operators and on-screen talent, the ZV series excels in this niche, providing quality in camera microphones, front-facing LCDs, and digitally stabilized 4K across all models. The standout feature of the ZV-E1 is its inclusion of sensor-based and body image stabilization IBIS, eliminating the need for a gimbal in many situations. Despite housing a full-frame sensor, the ZV-E1 remains compact at just 28 by 48 by 21 inches and 17 ounces without a lens. In comparison, the ZV-E10, which uses an APS-C image sensor, is smaller and lighter. The camera's controls and design align with its handheld focus, featuring a traditional form factor with a hand grip, a swing-out LCD for monitoring, and resistance to dust and splashes. The inclusion of a tripod socket and compatibility with accessories like the Sony GP-VPT2BT Bluetooth shooting grip and tripod adds versatility to its usage. The ZV-E1 can be purchased as a body-only or in a kit with the F28 60mm f4.56 zoom lens. However, the included lens may not be wide enough for arm's-length self-recording, prompting users to explore alternative lens options. The camera's control scheme, including customizable buttons and a 3-inch touch-enabled monitor, caters to solo creators working without a crew. One of the ZV-E1's key features is its integration of artificial intelligence AI, serving as a virtual camera operator. The AI enhances autofocus with subject recognition, going beyond face and eye detection to identify entire bodies. This results in more consistent focus, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The eye's role extends to auto-framing and framing stabilizer features, allowing single camera operators to achieve dynamic A-roll shots and steady walk and talk footage. The ZV-E1's AI also supports product showcase focus mode for gear reviews, automatically shifting focus forward when a subject is detected. Subject recognition is extended to audio, enabling the in-camera microphone to adjust focus based on the detected subject's position. Powered by the NPFC-100 battery pack, the ZV-E1 offers approximately 570 photos or 95 minutes of video recording. Connectivity options include USB-C for on-the-go charging, HDMI 3.5mm headphone and microphone jacks, and a multi-interface shoe for digital mics. A companion app, the Sony Creators app, facilitates remote control and file transfers. The ZV-E1 excels in video recording with its 12MP sensor optimized for 4K, supporting various frame rates, compression formats, and color profiles. Notable features include 10-bit color sampling in most recording modes, Cinetone color profile, and a one-touch Cin blog mode for cinematic footage. The camera's photo capabilities, while limited compared to video, offer a wide ISO range and support for JPG, HEIF, or RAW formats. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.